Welcome to lesson 22. In this video, I will explain two finals, ie and in. Again, it is a combination of two finals, e and a. So when you combine these two, read it very quickly. It's ie, ie. The next one is a combination of e and n. Yin, yin. For ie, it can be combined with b, p, mo, de, te, ne, le, ji, qi, and c. Pay attention until here. And for in, it can be combined with b, p, mo, ne, le, ji, qi, xi, yi. I select several commonly used characters in the daily language for you to learn in this video. The first one is pu and in with short tongue. Pu in, pin. It means savor, enjoy the taste of flavor. When you drink a wine, you taste it. Or when you eat a very delicious food, you enjoy it. You can see because of the meaning we put three same character, that is mouse, we have learned in the previous class. So we put three mouse together, make it a character pin. So probably you know how to write it. From the top to the bottom, left to the right. We start with the first mouse, second and third. So this is an easy one for you to learn how to write in Chinese. Next one is a combination of mo and ie, fourth tone. Mo ie, mie. The meaning is extinguish, turn off, or destroy. So the bottom one, under this horizontal stretch, this one means fire. So when you put something on the top of the fire, means extinguish the fire. The way it's written is, the first stroke is the horizontal stretch, then a dot. Next one, we write the middle two part. Okay, this means destroy or turn off. Mie. So next one we learn nin hao. Here is a combination of ne and in, the second tone. You see, we always put the tone sign on the top of vowels. Nin hao. We learned how, right? Means good, hello. We have also learned ni hao, means how are you? Ni means you. And here, nin, you see, it's a little bit different. It's egg, one part underneath ni. This part is another character, means heart. You put a heart under ni, means nin. It's a respect way to say, how are you? Nin hao. In this one, you will see three very similar characters. This one, the first one, we have learned with wood, a tree, right? It's a moon. When you put two moon together, it's become a wood or small forest. The pronunciation is lin. Le in, lin, second tone. So when there are more wood or more trees in this forest, they become big. So we have these. It's sen. It's a combination of s and n, first tone. Sen means forest, a big wood. So mu with one tree lin with 2 tree, and more than 2 means a lot. The sun means forest. So when you see this structure, you remember we learned Pin in the first slide for the characters. Again, this kind of structure put 3 the same character together like a building. It means a lot of that. Later I will also show you some other characters with similar structures. Next one we learn 姐姐 ji ye jie, third tone. So this is the sister, elder sister older than you. So again we double it, the last one is light, and you will see the female sign on the left hand side. 姐姐 means elder sister. Then we are going to learn important word. Thank you or thanks. 谢谢 is a combination of 西 and 耶. 谢谢. If you want to say thank you, say 谢谢你. Like we have learned, you want to show your respect, you can say 谢谢您. 谢谢. Next one is a combination of 西 and 音. 西音, xin, first tone, means something new, fresh, or up to date. When it's combined with listen, this character, it has a ear inside. 文 is a combination of u and n. 文, 新闻 means news. Okay, this is what I present for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.